Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, they find this, I know Crosses TV get this.
I'm not pretty, I'm not hide nothing. I talk the truth, but certain things can't call for my name. When I ask, certain things can't call for my name. You remember all them time, Sanchez? When we had to play football and then put all the makeup on my face. Thank you so much. Everybody was saying I give them a big up on damn self. Me's a fun person long time. I always do some comedian shit. Anybody where they ever play football with me can tell them. People always want to go in my group. Cause me fun, me very fun. Me not stuck up. Me not certain thing is. How do you put up the picture in the background? Teeth nice. Thank you, Chanita. I play for Annette at one time. And me bring Annette one shark. And me bring Annette for my back. Anybody will know me. And I not just been knowing, come on man. I don't know people know me. Remember my name Tanto and every girl know me because when I play football, every girl belongs to Matic. And Matic are them man, them come and watch Matic. Tanto at the time. Them come and watch Tanto. When I ask you, stands full of girls, me about 4 or 5 girls, I have a personal sit down right there. In between all 2 I meet them. That's how bad I was. And when match done, no I can go on. I'm going to go through the gate with all of the 5 of the girls them. All of them, and nobody can even make me personal feel like me in a nothing. You have to play it off cool. And that's the truth. Me attack man in real life. Your circle days. Me soon have no vice, Crosses TV, I'm if I tell you. Me done right now, me done at it already a launch out. So I just have finished off the vice. Babe, some blood clot, I get one strong drink. So I finish off my night, as a Gyalist. I know before my woman know. But when they attack me, they have to respect my woman. They have to respect her. Long time I have fame, talk again. I just know, me just never, me think I never go on, people never on internet like this on Facebook. Bless up yourself, unique. Everybody ready on live right now, bless up on yourself. I just want to tell myself to give God thanks because the whole of it there so we can have a laugh. These sad people them on there now, on the torment over here, all I do, I try to make Pauline come out, Pauline now come out. I'm a done page to Pauline, I'm a run Pauline already for morning. Pauline have to go hide. Pauline is a disgrace to the human race. No, I'm not smoking. Yeah, I used to hang out over Hero Circle, was my place. And everybody know me all. Thank you, Miss Anderson. All netball me play at school. Nobody could have blood clot fuck with me. Me a man, woman, everything in everywhere I go. I play all netball, even in sports, I touch my hand a goal. You take the Sunday, me I tell you. You don't care about that. You don't care about that. I say, when I wake up and really I look for myself, I can't believe somebody try me out like that. I can't believe. Still I wonder if I'm really that. I can't believe coming. I like that. You know, like it for true. I feel bad. I feel bad as just you it have to happen to. I feel bad. I know the enemy, I blame the enemy. The enemy I have nothing to do with it. I feel bad because I have to come do, I have to do. I have to defend myself. I still have nothing against her. Thank God for my mother, she cool me today. Like what mother that cool her daughter. And my mother stay all the way at Jamaica and cool me. Nobody could talk to me today. Cheese, my next, my 2 best friends, them woman, nobody could talk to me. Like literally nobody. Me not take no talk today. And normally me is a person where you can't talk to me. I want to know in the comment section, Unuh talk to me, I'm listen to Unuh. As far as Unuh, right, so I can't say Unuh, I'm going to talk to me enough time, I'm listen to Unuh. But today, I just couldn't never, I have to just ignore the whole, everybody black Unuh out and get that off of my chest. That was literally killing me. That did lay down on my chest, me I sleep with it, I wake up, that did a murder me. Trust me, I the best feeling ever. So nothing else, when nobody comes say it now get me for come again. Cause me relieve and me I move on from that. As a grown person, come have my life live at the end of the day. Who that dumb? I mean I tell them I never ever go talk same way. No that people Matic go defend themselves. I nah follow them, I nah listen to them because nobody could oppress me. But what pressed me as she really pressed me. Nobody could oppress me because you alone could have get me my feelings today and you alone could have come get me for behave like this. And you know this. Nobody could have come get me like this. Nobody. No care what class me. But somebody when I lay down with could have get me for come behave like a bitch. Me's not a man, no, me have to behave like a real dirty girl. That's the truth. I'm gonna play it cool as possible. Understand? I know the comment section don't care, but I don't know. Who the rest Paulene, you know? Cause the minute every time I see Paulene, I want to fling my Paulene off of my phone. I hate see Paulene. Hey auntie, what's up? My nephew, and that is my Christian, that actually one Christian lady I meet on TikTok. And since them auntie, I call her straight alone. Respect me, is a very respectable person. If you treat me with respect, me deal with with respect. You have a next local lady, auntie. Every time I say auntie legs, I don't think I know them. He's a very respectable person. Me don't get up and I know these people. Twinny, okay now. Oh, twin, are you? Yes, twin, I'm perfectly fine. Like my I don't know eat Paulene, because Paulene make me do something right now. I feel like I regret it. Paulene, I hate you. I tell the truth. Vice I come back. I that Vice don't come back look bit. Oh babe, you never say I make something for me. Chantel. I'm doing great. Did you not say you was gonna make something for me? Huh? Okay. What about Sabrina? What about Sabrina now? I don't just leave, I don't make Paulene go and go rest. Come here, I that fling with Paulene. I tell you through the eye window over, I that fling with Paulene.
All I wanted to do was keep everyone safe, like you did, Dad.
I like Paulene, man. Buddy, thank you for your first gift, honey. Thank you so much. I that fling with Paulene. I hate Paulene. Paulene disgusting. I wake up and see Paulene. I say, Jesus Christ, Paulene, I hate you. I don't know you. I hate you. Not like Paulene, man. She terrible. And she not hear, she not listen, she not rest. Paulene does, I'll just loan that this Paulene I look pan. Thank you, Nick Van. Thank you so much. Everybody will send something to big up on yourself. Pauline no rest, man. Pauline no give up. All me I try to control Pauline today. Pauline outdo me. I would not tell a lie. Jesus Christ, Pauline. Pauline no rest. Good night, honey. Good night. Thank you so much, body. Body, big up yourself. I love everybody. I don't have to know nobody. I love me, show people love. Because if you don't know for sure love, love can't find you. You're not gonna have peace. You have to show love. Your heart have to pure. No, Anna Pauline cried today. Pauline cried to them, love. Love you too, good. Love you too, girl. How about my son? Like, everybody are big people. I may have one disagreement. Either me not deal with you, or you not deal with me. But me not go, me not suppress. Me not suppress. I know when my father, I'll go me afraid for morning. My father, me know him not go please. Me afraid. My father not call me all now. I know people are gonna show my father. My father don't know nothing about the internet, you know. But they're gonna show him. Thank you, user. You say I know this. Anybody know me real to my friend them. I love my friend them. I love and my mother always tell me that I gonna be a downfall. You love too much. And when me say me a friend and me a partner, Jesus Christ. It come like me put it before me. Me keep me put it before me. Me part my thing. Stop what me have going. Just to make sure your thing I go. My mother tell me this today. My mother still not come. Even when you disrespect my mother say, what kind of dirty judgment this? What kind of dirty excitement this? And you talk to my mother. Yeah, my mother talk, girl. Yeah, my mother actually talk. And my mother still, when you bring down my mother still come as a big man, call my phone. My daughter, I understand how you feel. I know it was there for her because my mother know when it come on to that baby situation. They tell me my mother go miles with the little boy. Everywhere me and Princess move go in a Jamaica, my mother walk and blood clot find the house there. And we have to move again. So when you come around, girl, and my mother accept you and I say whatever this, that, the third, girl, you get the best of my mother because Princess never get that. Princess go through a warm time. Me, she touch and get a warm time. Because my mother keep, no, she not take that, my love. My mother get for understand and realize, say, I'm a daughter, this is how my daughter want to live her life and this is what she love. I have to love it. And my mother just let it go. My mother couldn't sit well with it. My mother couldn't sit well when Tajan just born. She couldn't sit well everywhere I go down a town. Everywhere. My mother see somebody, she stop and ask, come here, big man, come here, big man. We can all over public, my mother go. That's how out my mother go. My mother for sure me grow with love. When me as big as me be, enough time I used to bad and I got maybe go look for my local girlfriend. I remember me a big man, you know. I mean, 20 at the time. I'm a big man. I'm there, I look for my local, spend local time with my local girlfriend. And my mother go call me as a big man. I search me, tell me I feel I get mad. That's how love my mother, we grow with love. As big as how be my mother, and we are still be before my mother because she wash my clothes them same way. And my mother still cook for her pregnant them. My mother, we not do nothing. Nothing at all we not do. My father is the same thing, girl, as big as how me be. If me dey at Jamaica right now today, as big as how me be, me still I get lunch money. Me I wake up and come downstairs and get lunch money. Yeah, as big as how, as big. Me I get lunch money. Cause that are all my family that as all when me are 100, my mother and father still look at me like them baby. And me always get corrupt about it. Cause me say why me can't be grown. Me's grown. Allow me, me's grown. And my mother ever tell me, you're not grown until my eye lock. You're always my baby. Paulene make my name like dinner to them. I beg you, okay, this is a Paulene make me eat neither. Exactly, everybody know my mother. My mother is a fucking loving woman. Me say that's when if you take care of me in a foreign, when enough make me there a certain thing happen to me, them for there for me. Cause my mother big house, so she have a put my mother buy before mother sell her house. No for them, the richest bad man I can think about. My mother have them in her house, set them in when them not live nowhere. And I live to see them see me in a foreign. When I just come a foreign, and not even say me I look them for no whatever. What? Oh, baby G, I told her your mother. Yeah, my mother that. Baby G, I told her one baby G, no more other baby G. No more baby G, I want baby G, man. Yeah, I'm a look at me, see them in a foreign, and I say, blood clot, look at that, yeah.
It's okay, Poppy.
Them same people, yeah. Them same people that when I grow with my mother take me off our bed for. Put me at ground, that's how my mother stay. I have me at one point, as big as of me. That if me, because when I over my father, because my father live in Mexico, and my mother live at Jonestown. Exactly, anybody when know my mother, she go hard for her picking them. Hard.
No way. You have to go now. Bridget.
I'm Monica out. I come out of a rich family, you know. My mother said to people, them wealthy, them have money. Out of everybody, and my mother alone never get no money. They have money. My granny is a rich bitch. My uncle is a rich motherfucker. My grandfather, big up to Rock Bottom, was a rich man. My mother come out of a rich family. My mother just never get none of the riches because my mother favor her mother too much. My mother favor her mother too much. That's why she never get none. And she's just like her mother. Until today, my mother still treat her like a baby. Same way.
Now everyone, there will be no troll until the king.
Don't chase me there around and whatever. I have people who love me. Real love, me get real love. Me used to real love. So when I get fake love, me know when love fake to me. Cause me used to real genuine love. Matic came out bad. No, me not with him, you know. Your Uncle Junior, blood clot who this? Somebody will really know me, huh? Your Uncle Junior, my people them love me. When I win him, I enough of my people them just mad because I come in some drama shit. But my people them love me. Me have all cousins who I never meet before. I'm call them, my head hurt me, this that the third. Me I get it. You know me is a go-getter. Me is a go-getter.
Bridget just ruined her life.
Me not sit down and I depend on nobody. If nobody you know what these people always quick forgive me when me call them because them people know say me have in my needs for call them because me not call people. So when them see me call them people quick for help me because me is not a person who call people. Me not call people. Me could have never face me a drop on my face, me not call nobody, me I go through it. Nobody will never trouble you after. Me I tell you, when me I go through it, I go through it. I just hold it like a G. The whole of the day, I go in at some store. I know I'm going to some store time. But if I'm going at some store time, I'm strong me there, so. It's Atara speaking. He said he's your cousin. Who that? Thank you guys for the gifts. Can't bother with you know. Whatever, can't bother with you know. I go tell you know, people you see the whole of what they having listen on the internet. Sometimes I want to keep me happy. I want to keep me going. I see me act out now. Me tell them he's a very emotional person. I cry. Me very cry.
Because she didn't think you would
You see the whole of what they
Hello.
what me I wonder what happened to me in my life. Everything me I touch just I go bad. So me try to fix that problem, I have to go back and fix the same problem over and over. I say, Father God, what is? Father God, why I can't come out from my foot? What hold me down? What tie me down? Me I tell you, say, find myself the whole of what day. But just I pray like my mad so.
Nobody afraid, man. Good night.
Good night.
More I get one dry coconut. Listen me good. Yes, when I get that dry coconut there,
Mm-hmm.
you gotta rub it from your head to your toe. And when you're done with it, you have to find out 4 way or you dispose it in the trash and don't look back.
And dry coconut.
Dry coconut.
You know, you're not the first person to tell me this.
Yeah, man, somebody tell me I'm gonna do it.
I
And the
say, I know the
result,
first somebody. I say, what day? I literally I walk in a Manhattan. This is what I tell you, this is before my birthday. I walk in a Manhattan. I want woman she a read. And she pass me like she say, come on, whatever. I told her, I don't have money for that now. And the woman say, I want to read you for free. I want to read you for free. And the woman say, somebody have something where you need and them a whole and pant and them nag you. This something what the woman say. Out of the mouth the day. I'm there. I say, I wonder where this a come from. I wonder if you know, and so from what they so one thing that's a running in your so my head. I mean I think about it so hard. I say, I don't even want to think that in a car. If I even think that, me will get corrupt.
yeah. Just do what me tell you for the man. It had a work.
Me I go do it and me I do it tomorrow. I go do that tomorrow. I
And when
follow
you
you.
tell me
And me I
when
be
you tell me
more.
the result.
I follow you.
Alright, me gonna me not stay long. So they are listening still.
Me I tell you energy is real. It brought destruction and fire. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
come on
bring luck.
it. A long time I hear about it. Yeah, me I go do it tomorrow.
Alright. Big up
Let's
yourself.
go.
You hear that?
No, no, don't do that no more because it moves. It moves
Oh,
outside.
how do
You
you
don't see it?
so why you do that for me? How do you do that?
Yes, you did. Yes.
Me not do that. Me not do that. Tell her that for me.